Every time the US stock market dips slightly, crypto drops much harder. Why does a small cough and sneeze on Wall Street turn into a full fever in the Bitcoin and altcoin market? The answer lies in how investors are categorizing crypto within their risk profiles. In early December, major US indices such as the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq opened in red, declining slightly after several consecutive bullish months. Meanwhile, Bitcoin fell more than 5 to 7%, at times dropping to the $85,000 range, marking one of the sharpest daily declines in months. Many major news outlets describe the current market mood as risk-off, meaning investors are avoiding risky assets. From 2020 to 2025, correlation, meaning the relationship in volatility between Bitcoin and the US stock market, has risen significantly. Research shows that over the past 30 days, Bitcoin often moves in the same direction as major indices, with correlation sometimes exceeding 0.5 to 0.7. For many funds, Bitcoin is now grouped together with high-growth tech stocks. When markets are risk-on, both rise. When markets are risk-off, both are sold, but crypto gets hit harder. Crypto tends to experience a stronger fever when stocks catch a cold because of volatility and market structure. Bitcoin's daily volatility is typically 3 to 5 times that of the S&P. When sentiment turns risk-off, leveraged positions get liquidated, ETFs see outflows, and investors sell their riskiest assets first, which is crypto. Some recent analyses even view Bitcoin as a leading indicator for overall market risk sentiment. When Bitcoin drops sharply during macro stress, it often signals that investors are pulling back on risk, and tech stocks may face pressure afterward. In other words, crypto is no longer outside the system, but increasingly tied to the pulse of traditional finance. This is why whenever stocks cough, crypto often burns with fever, as it is currently seen as the riskiest asset class in the portfolio. For crypto participants, watching stocks and macro is not about being more afraid, but about understanding which direction the money is flowing. Do you think Bitcoin is independent digital gold, or has it become a high-beta tech asset of the new era? Comment your perspective and follow so we can continue decoding the relationship between crypto and global financial markets every day.